Hey everyone, I'm Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the beginning pages in my Hobonichi A6 Techo as a journal, the monthly spreads and the month at a glance habit tracker type calendars. So I'm really excited about this idea, so stick around. Thanks guys! Alright, so you saw those beginning couple of decorated pages. I can try and link that video up, as they say in the cards, those people that really are living the YouTube life. I'll see if I can figure that out for you guys. Those beginning pages, as you saw, the like perpetual, that's not called a perpetual calendar, I don't know, but I'm going to use those to write a monthly highlight, like the thing that sticks out in my mind as the best part of the month or the most memorable. And then the monthly spreads, I intend to put some Sprocket photos of us and our kids. So at the end of the month, we have, you know, at least one picture every month where we can see how my kids grow and change. So that's kind of my idea for this. I wouldn't call it the only person that's ever had this idea. I don't know, but I like it. So there we go. My Christmas washi is from Michaels, and I was just picking out a green and a red from my Glitzy palette, Lorelei and Ariel, that kind of looked the most bright and Christmassy. So throwing some watercolor down. I can't really explain what I'm doing, you know, real Picasso type work here. So I'm just kidding. That's what I love about watercolor, is there's no wrong or right. You just put in color. Well, I mean, I guess to watercolor artists, there probably is. They're gasping right now. And then I just dipped into alchemy, the little gold color in the Glitzy palette. But I am not an artist, so this is how I watercolor. I just wanted some festive wash of color, and that's what I got. I kind of like, it looks like ornaments or, you know, baubles or something. My HP Sprocket is what I use to print out pictures, and I know they've probably come up with, you know, more, I don't know, better technology in this kind of area. Mine's a couple of years old now, but I am in love with it. I just love it. Don't know what else to say. The sticky backed pictures are just perfect. The quality is, you know, it's fine. I'm not looking for, you know, printer type quality photos in here. I mean, that would be cool, sure, but I'm not willing to pay an arm and a leg for it either. So the Sprocket, I really do adore it. And you can do cute things with the pictures, and you can, you know, put different filters and make them black and white and stuff like that. So I would recommend my Sprocket. I really do like it. And I'm just sticking some washi tape down in random places. And this is probably, if you've never watched my channel, you'll get a glimpse of my kind of journaling style. It's very hodgepodge, mishmash, messy. No real rhyme or reason. And that's just what I like. So if you find that very aesthetically hard to take, then maybe just don't watch me journal, because it might make you really antsy and anxious. I also got out my Bloom, or that's not Bloom, it's Carpe Diem, the monthly stickers. I had some left from decorating months in my planner and whatnot of the December month, so I stuck some of those on there. They say like Christmas list and deck the halls and, you know, stuff like that. And then I like that little tab, so I stuck that up there. I end up sticking a lot of random stickers in here, and I just like it. I will say I do have my apprehensions about how thick this is going to get pretty quickly. Right there you can see I'm writing with one of my new Pigma Micron green pens. It's the 05 size, so it's pretty thick, but I really like it. It's pretty green. That was in my Christmas gift video, if you want to see. It came in a package with a bunch of other colors too. That Santa sticker is also from the Carpe Diem months kit. I have the mini size and the big size, because I'm just a little extra like that. So I just wanted to use up all of those extra stickers, and of course I wrote All I Want for Christmas Is You, because I did want them.
And a bunch of journaling supplies.
But they know me, so. Those stickers that I'm pulling out there are, I think, ones that I got from Simple Heart Studio online. They're Japanese stickers, or well, she's from Malaysia, but these are Japanese stickers, and they're so cute. These are just like little, they were like little girls with a little Santa costume on, and I don't know, they're just Japanese stickers. They're just cute. I don't know any other way to explain it. And then I was using some sayings from the Carpe Diem Bloom little mini sticker booklet. So like I said, just a real variety in here. Let's see, so happy, and then some of those word stickers. Those might have, yeah, I think those are from, those are from the Bloom sticker pack. And I just wanted just some decoration on each month, and like I said, I just thought it would be fun to have pictures of all of us from every month of the year. So there you get a little up-close shot, kind of wiggly. And those are the front pages that I was telling you about, where I'm going to write the highlights of every month. And those are decorated with the Carpe Diem Bloom stickers too. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and tell me how you're going to journal this year. Leave me comments. Thanks guys. Bye.